Will artificial intelligence steal my job as a journalist? It can already write simple texts. As a journalist, I'm worried because artificial intelligence can do so much in the way of processing information and generating texts. Am I right to be concerned?
I don't think we'll see much impact on journalism. It'll be a useful research tool. Maybe it can help you make a film with the right music more quickly, things like that. Having said that, AI systems are already used in so-called robot journalism, but only in very limited areas.
Still, AI keeps on getting better all the time and more creative, if I understand correctly. Perhaps my job isn't all that safe.
Creativity is relative. Machine learning is good at repeating what's been done in the past. It looks at data and sees what happens in what situations. These kinds of customers buy these shoes. This sentence is translated like this. Creativity often means doing something new that's not been done before.
But simple office jobs could disappear in the foreseeable future.
It's often said that people who already work like a robot are most likely to be replaced by one. And it's true. If all I do is transfer numbers from one spreadsheet to another and press send, obviously that can be automated.
With some job interviews on the phone, it's already a computer asking the questions. AI is not always objective because it's fed by people. It can sometimes end up being subjective.
Some say that once computers take over, everything will be rational, logical. That's wrong. Humans have a highly specialized gut feeling, and computers will keep doing things the same way and assuming it's correct. But if things have been consistently wrong, for example, rarely inviting women to job interviews, then AI will continue to invite more men than women.
Is there a technical solution for that? A filter that prevents AI from being biased?
Technology exists that can do that. If this, then that. You can build a system with whatever rules you like. You can tell it to invite 50% men and 50% women to an interview. The problem is, it's incredibly hard to write rules for real-life situations and processes, because they're often extremely complex.
AI systems can recognize faces and estimate someone's age. They're being deployed in a growing number of areas and are getting better and better. What about the fear that with AI, computers will eventually become conscious and seize control? Can we rule that out?
Self-styled philosophers of technology like to make scary predictions and publish dire warnings in the press about what's going to happen. Some are journalists who just want to make a splash. Or Elon Musk, he's a good example. He invests in AI and also issues warnings because he wants to be in the limelight. You have to consider what these people aim to achieve. Of course, there might be a tiny chance this technology could spawn such systems, but I think it's a tiny chance. I can't imagine how it would work.